Yes, my name is Robin and I'm from the Ice Skate Tour. We travel around New Zealand with this ice rink, and we just want to offer communities that normally don't have access to an ice rink the opportunity to try it. So some people turn up with beanies or warm jackets, you don't need it, but it's still pretty close as ice skating. So we use normal ice skates, so just with sharp blades. People can bring their own skates, but not a lot of people have their own skates, but it is an option. And so during the school hours here, we provide lessons for all the kids from this school, but also from some other schools from Gisborne. And we've done that, I think, now for the third year in Gisborne, if I'm correct. So yeah, it's good to be back. Oh, they're all buzzing. Yeah, you've probably seen yourself when they come off. They're tired, but they all love it, and they all want to come back in the weekends and show mum and dad or the brothers and sisters how good they are at ice skating.